Well, we've got a leaner. And I need to take the tree down because if that tree were to fall, the way I've broke the roots, I think, because the wind comes from that direction and comes towards that tree, that it would land right on the corner of my house. So we're gonna get a rope up in this thing and we're gonna pull it so it lands way down in the yard down there, away from the house. So this is a throw line, primarily used for arborist work. In a collapsible bag, and then I've got a big shot, which is basically a really fancy slingshot designed to launch this bean bag, this 12-inch bag, at least 100 feet into a tree. And in my case, I want to get it about 70 feet up there, hook it over that, throw it in a little pouch. About 5 branches from the clear spot. Throw bag. Sherelle? I don't know. These things are amazing. Love this thing. Well, there it's gonna sit until tomorrow because it's just too dang dark and I don't want to add insult to injury on a job that has the potential to go wrong. So you can see it is getting dark out. This is our tree. And you can see if you follow it up, it starts leaning hard left. My house, well, is right there. And it would hit my house, potentially. Well, that's going to wrap this one up. Went really well. I was pretty nervous about taking that tree down, so we threw that rope on there and got it going in the right direction. To be honest, I think the cut would have guided it where it wanted to go, but that little extra peace of mind of having the rope on there and pulling on it in the correct direction was definitely worth it. Got it on the ground, got it limbed up, cut up into small enough pieces that my tractor could handle it. You might have noticed when I was moving the logs, I started off with 3, those are the smaller, and as I moved down towards the base of the tree, the pieces kept getting smaller and smaller because, well, the lift capacity of this tractor isn't that much. It's about 800 pounds, and that grapple bucket weighs a lot in and of itself. And we tapered off the box blade back there and used that to clean everything up so it's nice and tidy and smooth all the dirt out, so when it rains we won't have little river trenches created. Got all the logs and brush pushed over to the other side of the property off the bank where you out of sight, out of mind. Fun little job. Good peace of mind now knowing that that tree won't hit the house if it were to fall down. In any case, this was a quick fun one. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Definitely check out some of these other links and hit that subscribe button. That always helps me out in the long run. And until next time, thanks for watching.